Alright, let's turn the thing on. Alright, this thing is insanely powerful, like a jet engine. Just think of all the useful and hilarious things you can do with this. Whoa! But first things first, welcome to a new tech review on my channel. Today we're diving into the KiCA Jet Fan Max, and after this review you will see why the name is really spot on. Yeah, this fan really sucks. Also in a good way, like a vacuum cleaner here on the other side. Alright, huge shout out to KiCA for sending this complimentary product for review. Maybe one thing to mention, this is still a prototype device, so it could be that there will be some minor changes on the end product. Anyhow, let's unpack this beast and see what it's truly capable of. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Thanks. The KiCA Jet Fan Max comes in a stylish silver shining box with graffiti artwork on it, which looks great in my opinion. The front and the back side are the same. First, there is the user manual. At the moment it is only in Chinese, but I'm sure this will change. Alright, what else? There is a card which gives you direct QR codes to KiCA's website and social media platforms. In the upper right there is a dust container with a changeable filter, which is obviously for the vacuum capability of the Jet Fan Max. You can disassemble and reassemble it easily with just a few hand movements. Alright, let's put this aside and check out this plastic part. It seems to me that this is an extension for the vacuum attachment. Next, there is a smaller part with bristles to complete the vacuum attachment. Simply stick each part into the other and ta-da, we have our vacuum attachment. They also included a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, because at the bottom of the Jet Fan Max there is a protected USB-C port where you can charge the device. But now let's move on to the powerhouse, the KiCA Jet Fan Max. Okay, it's really heavy. I wasn't expecting that. With its total weight of 1,274 grams, it's certainly not the lightest device, but the build quality is very high. The casing is made of aluminum alloy. On the back, or better said the intake side, the fans are protected by a silver grille. I also like the touch of color. This red-orange front already hints at the power the device holds. The battery is very large, no surprise here. You can pull it out sideways by pressing, which is a bit stiff, but that's a good thing. You don't want it to fall on your foot while using the Jet Fan Max, right? The capability is 24,000 mAh, which corresponds to about 190 minutes of use in Gear 1. Regarding the buttons, at the very bottom is the on-off button, followed by the slider, where you can continuously adjust the strength in percentage. At the top is the power button that boosts the maximum wind speed to 324 km/h. Insane. To understand how strong it is, the wind speed of 324 km/h is higher than the wind speeds of a Category 5 hurricane. But anyways, let's turn it on and see how the display looks. By pressing and holding, the number counts up to the current battery level, then switches to 0%. Let's make some wind. Here you can immediately hear the sound the KiCA Jet Fan Max makes when it's turned on, from level 1 to maximum. When you use the power button, the display changes to 188%, and when you release it, we're back to 100%. Then I would say let's do a quick suction test, and then there's a small surprise. The test went very well, even though these candies were quite heavy for this use case. And in regards of the surprise, I must say I was surprised, because I didn't expect to receive a little sibling as well. Isn't it cute? Of course, it's not as powerful as the Jet Fan Max, but you can take it anywhere, and it's very useful for cooling your face, cleaning small items, lighting a fire, or even drying hair or clothes very quickly. In terms of size and strength though, it can compete with the larger one. Alright, let's put them aside and start the test so we can see what the Jet Fan Max is capable of. Alright, we're now outside, because otherwise this could make a mess inside. Why? Well, I've already positioned my gaming video editing PC here. Unfortunately, I'm a bit lazy when it comes to cleaning it. Normally I would use high pressure air cans for this, but luckily we have the KiCA Jet Fan Max. Let's remove the side panel here and start cleaning up this mess. Alright, I can keep Yoda in there because I glued it to the graphic card, so keep the head down, little guy. Now there is a high wind speed coming in. Whoa! Alright, this was a mess. I have to say I'm very satisfied with this method of cleaning. It worked really well and it's more sustainable than using disposable high pressure air cans. First test definitely passed. So let's move on to the next one, which is directly related to the first one. I need to blow the dust now off the table, but before that I will bring in my PC and then I will use the Jet Fan Max again. Okay, I think next test passed as well, and I see some leaves over there. I think we will get rid of them very quickly, also with our little or huge Jet Fan Max. Let's go. Alright, I would say it did the job again. The table looks clean to me, no more dust and the leaves are blown away. Awesome! The next test is more of a fun experiment, or yet a way to visualize how strong the fan really is. For this I need a hose and a tub and some water. So let's try it out. Bad idea? Maybe. Let's go. Right, the tube is full. Let's have fun again. Okay, besides the fun I had showing you how the fan blows water away, my t-shirt got wet in the process. How can I dry it quickly? I have an idea. Let's pull the shirt over the deck chair here behind me and dry it with the KiCA Jet Fan Max. Alright, the t-shirt isn't wet anymore, that's great, but maybe you should secure it better than I did, but I think you get my point. This use case also checked. For the next tests I need my car, so come along and I will show you what I mean. Welcome to my car, Cars with Car. Let me quickly tell you what I've planned. First I will use the Jet Fan Max to remove all the dust from the dashboard in the front. After that it's time to clean the back seat of crumbs and dirt. For that I will use the fan capabilities and vacuum attachment, both with and without the extension, since I discovered that you can attach the brush directly to the dust container. Yes, better late than never, right? For the third and final car test, I will head to the car wash. This one excites me the most because, as we all know, even after drying, there are always some water droplets left on the car that we would like to get rid of. I think the KiCA Jet Fan Max will be perfect for that. We will see, so let's get started. Well, the car is clean now. Impressive how efficiently this fan gets rid of dust and dirt in seconds. Alright, let's head to the car wash. It's always an awesome feeling when the car is clean again. I love it, but let's see if we can make it even better. Fan on. Perfect, now this is the next level. No need to use an extra cleaning cloth, just use the Jet Fan Max. It's so simple and it looks cool watching the last water droplets get blown off the car's paint. And during my tests I also thought about how photographers or videographers could use the KiCA Jet Fan Max to their advantage. Wind machines. Professional photographers and videographers often need wind machines, which are bulky and hard to transport. Guys, this is the solution. With over 300 km of wind speed, I'm 100% convinced it can make cloth and hairstyles blow dramatically. I think my practical tests are done. Let's head back to the studio. Let's go. Alright, these use cases were fun, but what's about the battery? I would say let's perform a test. How long does it take? For that I charged it to 100% and let's turn it on. Well, I think it's not bad for such a huge fan. Alright, I hope you liked my Jet Fan Max test. I'm sure that there are many more possibilities, so if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments below what you think about the KiCA Jet Fan Max, no matter how crazy they are. If possible, I might even upload a short video of your suggested tests. Let's see. I really enjoyed using it, and as far as I know, you won't find anything stronger on the market than this body. However, to achieve this level of performance, you do have to accept the weight and the size. One more thing, this product isn't officially available yet, but it will be priced at approximately 199 USD. Sure, that's not exactly cheap, but think about how versatile it is. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future content. Or feel free to check out one of these awesome videos here I've already published. Just saying. Take care, stay healthy, and see you in the next one. And now I will go out and do some more fun stuff with this thing.